What is up, YouTube? It's your boy AJ for the win, back at it again with yet another shoe video. And I know y'all probably saying like, man, AJ for the win, man. Y'all, you supposed to be AJ Got Kicks, and that is true. We AJ Got Kicks. But, you know, we decided to go a different route. We had to take some time off because, you know, had a lot of things going on. Your boy finally graduated from college. So, you know, big things going on. But, you know, so I got more time now to shoot the video, shoot content for y'all. Just a little bit of a rebrand. You know, we're still going to bring the good content. We're still going to bring the banger videos, and we're still going to cop shoes weekly, do our little mall vlogs and stuff like that. But, you know, it's a little bit of rebrand. But I need y'all to please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, comment down below, turn on post notifications, because, you know, we are going crazy 2021. Like, we are going crazy. We got a lot of stuff on the way. Y'all gonna see in my videos. We got more unboxings on the way. We got sneaker events on the way. I know y'all tired of hearing me talking about stuff, but man, I'm just so excited for where this channel is gonna grow and where I can see it. So I need y'all to, you know, y'all to join the train, man. Join the train. We need all the support we can get. But so as you can see by the title, man, I had to do it. I just had to do it. And when y'all see the shoe, y'all gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's just bring the shoe in. Let's just open it up. Let's go. So man, there we have it. We have our shoe came in. And it's a big old box. I don't remember boxes coming from Stockx being this big, but it don't matter, man. Let's cut open the box. Let's see what's in here. Just by the box, you're gonna already know what it is. So, you know, it don't even make any sense for me to just hide it from y'all. Let's just get into the shoes, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it, man. You know what we had to do, man. I had to cop the shoe, man. I had to cop the shoe. The prices was just looking too good. When it first came out, you should not have bought it when it was $1,000. You should not have bought $900. You already know what it is. Once the shoes comes out, it's just gonna keep going down until it reaches a certain point. And once you start seeing it going back up, that's when you're supposed to buy. I bought it for a great price, and I'm so happy I got it. So, you already know what it is, man, just off the box. So let me show y'all real quick. We got the sicko mode right here. We got the Jordan Air. You see it right here, my personal size 11 Air Jordan 6 Retro SP special project for show. Got our Cactus Jack this side, and as well right here, Cactus Jack on this side. So let's peel open these shoes, man. I cannot wait to see it. So as we peel this open, oh, the Stockx card fell out. It don't matter. We got Stockx card right here. Y'all know it's legit, man. I don't do none of that. From the CEO. Nice little card. So we got our dust bag right here with our you know, Crimson Jumpman. You can see is in there. And on the medial side, we got our Cactus Jack logo, Travis Scott logo. This is a good quality bag. I'm not gonna hold you. So it's a cool little touch. I like it. So let's open up the shoe. We got our brown paper right here. As I peel this up, as I peel this down, and we got our white paper real quick. And let me know what you see, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got the Travis Scott 6 British Khaki. Oh, woo. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah. Look at these shoes, bro. Probably seen a million reviews, but you know, this is my first time seeing them in hand. Man, look at the quality of the shoes, bro. Let me put this in here. Look at the quality of the shoe. Like, it's that, you know, Travis is be on his military boot styles. So this is just a great, like, just rugged shoe, and stuff like that. So man, let's start from the bottom, man. So from the bottom, we got our outer sole right here with our sicko mode and our Travis Scott. You can see right here underneath the outer sole. We got our Crimson Jumpman. We got our Travis Scott name right here. And this whole thing glows in the dark. I'm gonna make sure to get some B-roll so y'all do see the glow in the dark effect and stuff like that. On our inner side right here, we got our sicko mode face again. We got our lace lock right here. The lace lock right here, if you can see it, it says Cactus Jack. I'm pretty sure on the other side it says Jordan. Yeah, on the other side it says Jordan. We got our brown laces right there. We got a zipper on the medial side that opens up, and right here, nothing's inside this pocket. So we're gonna zip this back up. On this side though, we got the little pocket. You can open up the pocket with the sicko mode face right here. But on this side, there's actually something in here. It's the lace lock. It's actually crimson. Same thing. It says same thing. Cactus Jack. It says it right there on the inside. So this shoe is actually crazy. Like on the back of the shoe, we got the Nike Air, and we got our, you know, our spoiler at the back with our crimson. And so I believe this also reflects in the dark with this too. So we got our bottom reflects in the dark with these little side panel things. We got our back spoiler that glows in the dark, and also our tongue that also glows in the dark. This is a crazy shoe, man. Let's look at the other one, see what the other difference is. So on the other shoe, the differences I do see on the shoe is on the back of this one, it says Cactus Jack, while the other one said you know, Nike Air. And the other two laces that come in is like a darker brown. So this one I guess is the British Khaki, and this is just like a darker brown, as well as the crimson laces too. I'm probably gonna keep it how it is, but you know, maybe I might experiment with the shoe to see what it is. So we got our little loopholes right here. I don't know if you guys seen that. It's our 3 little loopholes right next to the pocket zipper. Same thing. You can kind of feel it in here. There's another lace lock in there. Man, I just had to do it. I just had to do it. If y'all paid over what it is, I hope y'all are happy with y'all purchase. I wanted to personally wait. I knew I was gonna get the shoe, but I didn't want to wait until the prices reach a certain point and not just see it keep going up and up and up. I'm so glad I'm able to cop this shoe. We're gonna do a short little comparison because I do have the other ones in hand. Let me go grab them real quick. I do have the first Travis Scott 6s in hand, and man, Travis Scott did his thing with both of these shoes, man. He did his thing. The difference is just really quick going over it is obviously you see the bottom. This glows in the dark, but it's not all over like, you know, the British Khakis. The back looks exactly the same with the Cactus Jack. This spoiler actually doesn't go in the dark, but this one does. This side pocket doesn't have an extra lace lock because, you know, the crimson's right there. This side pocket does have an extra lace lock, so that is cool. You know, they both give you 2 different laces, as you can see. They both give you 2 different laces. And then this material though is like all like soft and the same you know, tone as this shoe, but as in the new ones, the British Khaki, there's just like, it's just rugged, like more rugged here, and just like, you know, really everywhere, just more rugged everywhere, rather than the smooth approach that they did with the first. The difference I do see is the sicko mode. You can see right there, but on the first ones there is no sicko mode on the, you know, the inner side of the shoe. So this one does have it on the British Khakis, and this one does as well. And also, obviously there's a zipper on this one, but this one there's nothing on the inside. It's just our regular Air Jordan 6 unit bubble. But besides that, there isn't more differences that I can see just like as look wise of the shoe. The box though, I mean, the presentation is different because this one did come with you know, dust bag, and there was absolutely no dust bag with the first you know, these Travis Scott 6s. But which one would I like more? I can't really tell you which one I like more because I kind of got these, you know, recently too, also from Stockx, so I really couldn't tell you which one I like more. But man, all I can say is Travis Scott did his thing with both of these shoes. I really like both of these shoes. Like, these shoes are crazy, and I'm so happy I was able to get it in my collection. Let me know down below if you was able to hit on this shoe. He also did a raffle on his site. Let me know if you was able to hit on Sneakers app. Took an L, obviously. Let me know if you was able to hit on the Travis Scott raffle he did, or, you know, consignment stores. There's some consignment stores that was giving these out. And let me know down below also, which one do you like more? Do you like the British Khakis, the second release, or do you like the OGs, man? The British Khakis or the OG Olives? Like, let me know, which one do you like more? Which one do you like more? And stuff like that. I'm still undecided, man. I really don't know, but I really am digging this shoe. Man, we got more Travis Scotts on the way. I heard with the high OG ones with the fragments, that's gonna be a madness. And also they making another low version too. So man, you already know what that means. You're making a second one, that means the first one's gonna shoot up in value. So if you haven't got the Mocha ones, highs like me, you want them, go ahead and you gotta pull the trigger. I don't know if I'm gonna pull the trigger that's like 2 bands, but you know, if you do want them, you do it now, or else it's just gonna go up. But man, that'll be it for my video. I'll give you guys one more 360 of the shoe right here with the bottom. And please, man, like I said, please like the video, please comment down below, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all that good stuff, because you know we are going crazy 2021. More, man. We're going to Orlando. It's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be crazy. So please make sure y'all support the channel, support the grind, support the hustle. And regardless, man, I'm AJ for the win. Now AJ got kicks. We AJ for the win. And I got the shoes right here. And we out.
Money might walk. Hey, I just might pull up in robes. Chopper make you hit the wall. Shawty got eye when I'm high, so they low. I ain't no Cherokee, but I told pose.